Welcome to the vlog.
Welcome to the vlog.
Welcome back. Ella's in the chat.
Ella could do our intro for the day.
Okay, you ready? Welcome back to Street Side. Today we're working on the 180 SX.
Perfect. Hired YouTuber.
I'm like the main asset to this place.
The 180 is finally back together. We just have a few more jobs to tick off. The wiring to do. We also have the exhaust, plumb up the clutch line, the e-throttle, and I think we're about to hear a startup. So who's keen? Drop some comments. Let's get some hype. Let's get some hype, brothers. Been building this shit for like 8 months on the side. Hyped to bring this one back. It's been a while. But it's going to be a street car, so if you guys want this, it's going to be available for sale. You're going to have some deep pockets, but it's going to be worth it. This car's pretty wild. Insert Mr. Krabs. Money. Have like that's like a copper like looking spray, bro. You just like spray the head gasket with it, and then you obviously set it down.
So you can reuse the gasket.
So I'll show you in a sec how tight they need to be, but you'll be surprised. Just make sure to never do them too tight, otherwise you'll end up ripping the whole blim and stud out, which is not good. Potentially cracking the head too, especially being an aluminium. You don't want that to happen, mate. Especially when these SR20s are running you about 8K, mate. Not good. I got a spare one though, so hit me up if you need one. Go on this type, my boys. Look at me, 2 fingers, mate. That's it. No more than that. If you're doing more than that, I'll come knock on your door and tell you. Just gonna take our cable out over here, Speedo cable. We're going electric. So let me just take that out real quick. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna like grab the camera and sort of show them. Right there, my boys. The gas pedal on the right there. So just gonna take that out.
Sorry, what? I'm fucking around. You want a Phillip?
Thanks, brother. Oh, that's done. What next? Let me just start check my list. Do that, claps. Connect fuel lines with the regulator. So I'm gonna go find the regulator and we'll do that. I swear it's around here somewhere. Oh, the Torme FPR. So this is your fuel pressure regulator. Standard for when you're upgrading your fuel systems. I'll hold it in position for him. Yeah, about to 10. What a beautiful spot. What this is doing is regulating our fuel because we have a tuned motor running a lot more fuel, bigger injectors. Obviously we need something to regulate our fuel. Down below we have our fuel filter. So what's going to happen here is we're going to do our fuel filter feed line into the rail, bring it back. The return line is going to come in to the regulator. That's going to drop back down into the return line for the tank, send straight back to the tank. It works off like the vacuum air pressure. Yeah. Same as like your boost lines, bro, you know, so like a wastegate, like as soon as like that wastegate line popped off, you know how just everything stops working? Like it still flows and everything, like obviously still dosing it still, but it's not working properly.
Yeah, it's not working 100%.
Yeah, as soon as you hook that back up, like we hook your wastegate line back up, you're on the money again.
It's stopping from like...
That is way too short for what we're doing now. For the spark plug. And then give it a nice little bing. Yeah, bro. Reese is fitting the Audi R8 coil packs. This is a conversion that you do when you want some upgraded coils. These are about $100 compared to your standard like SR20 coil. It's about 300. Yeah, he's just chucking them in now. We've also got a loom as well that connects back to our max ECU. But you will let him do that while I'll do nothing. I'll just watch.
Can you just feel that one?
That one's right, that one's right. That one's not right, that one's not right.